Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Rabindra Mohan Misra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho am taking the class of Shastri second. Today we learn precise writing. Earlier we have seen many rules or regulation regarding the precise writing, how to write. We have also seen some places of some given paragraph. Today we see another paragraph for the places. As we know, places writing is a very technical writing. In it, we should have to write short summary of the given paragraph. In it, we should have to count the number of words. How many words comes, then we divide it by 3. I mean myself that you are now addicted with such rule and regulation of races. There is no need of saying more about it. Let's we see the paragraph today which are given to Plessy of Plessis. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809. He was a self-made man. His father was a poor farmer. Abraham Lincoln worked first as a woodcutter, but he wanted to make progress in life. He learned how to read and write. He got a job as a clerk. Then he was a storekeeper and then a postmaster. He studied law in a spare time. He became a lawyer. He took up politics. Soon he was well known as an orator. In 1860, he made a famous speech against slavery. At that time, slaves were kept in the southern state of America. Same year, he was elected President of America. He was a great and good man. He was the greatest president of the United States. This is the paragraph. Before writing précis of the given, we count the given words. Words is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After counting the given paragraph, there are total words is of near about 120 to 23. Now 123 or 4 will be divided by 3. It will be near about 33 words. We should have to write the précis of the given paragraph in 43 words only. Before that, we should have to write Appropriate title of the paragraph. What will be its title? As we see that there are the more use about the Abraham Lincoln. No doubt, the title of the paragraph will be near about Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln as a great president. Abraham Lincoln, great warrior. Importance, the role of Abraham Lincoln. Many other title will be given suited for this paragraph. First of all, you write the title of the given paragraph. Title is the rise of ABAM, the role of Abraham L-A Abraham Lincoln Lincoln to the rise of Abraham Lincoln to presidency. The rise of Abraham Lincoln to the presidency. It is the title of the paragraph. Now we write the preface. Abraham Lincoln rose from rags to riches as a son of poor farmer, as a son of poor farmer, he had to work as a wood cutter a store keeper and postmaster, but he learnt law. But he learned law, joined politics, made the famous a speech against slavery in 1860 and become become the president of America. It is the preface of the given paragraph. Now, after counting the words, total counting of words is of near about 43, 44. We write here total worth is equal to 44. This is the précis of the given paragraph. In it, we should be very conscious and cautious, not repetition of the same words again and again. Also, we see there is a minimum usage of superfluous words. There are many superfluous words in the paragraph. In this way, we write it.